Hello and welcome, my chocolate lovers, to your tasty and yummy bites channel. Before starting with our video, I'm very sorry that I'm very late to post this video because of some reasons. This particular video was missing from my mobile gallery, but now I have recovered this video and let's get started. So, yes, this is nothing but Cadbury All Editions Part 2. Starting with is Cadbury dipped Oreo pack. This pack is of 20 rupees. Let's open this Cadbury Oreo pack. This is having 3 pieces, and as you see, our Oreo cookie is dipped in our favorite Cadbury. Let's taste it. This crunchy inside and chocolatey outside. Tastes nice. Next on the line is Cadbury Dark Milk. Yes, it is original, rich, and creamy. Many of you have seen commercial ads of our favorite actress Aishwarya Rai. This particular chocolate is giving you 574 kilocalories per 100 grams. Let's open our dark milk. Oh wow, packaging you can see here, it is very premium packaging. I forget to tell you, this particular pack is of 72 grams and costs me 100 rupees, and best before 11 months from the date of manufacturing. Introducing Cadbury Dark Milk, the grown-up chocolate, so you also experience its richer, darker and creamier taste. Oh wow, you can see, look and feel of this Cadbury dark milk. It is so authentic and premium, isn't it? Design is also awesome, and chocolatey fragrance is also coming, and this particular dark milk is having more content of dark chocolate compared to our other dairy milk products. It is melting in my mouth. And we all know that this particular dark milk is advertised as grown up chocolate. So, next on the line is Cadbury Dairy Milk Roast Almond. Its net weight is 36 grams and MRP is 45 rupees. Best before 12 months from the date of manufacturing, and it will give energy per 100 grams as 557 kilocalories, and this is a veg product. As you see this green sign, many of us have seen that ad on the TV which says what happens when an almond on fire meets a puddle of chocolate. Nutty, chocolatey goodness. Yes, so I am going to try this nutty chocolatey almonds. Let's unwrap our Cadbury roast almond, and as you see, whole Cadbury bar is having roast almonds. You can see here also, and I am going to taste this nutty chocolatey puddle of roast almonds. Taste wise is also a very good combination of our Cadbury and almonds. As we all know that almonds are king of dry fruits. So yes, I really like this Cadbury roast almond. Next on the line is Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle. This Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle is also of 36 grams in net weight, and its MRP is 45 rupees. And as you see here, the Rice Krispies are there in this chocolate bar, and per 100 grams we will be getting approx 518 kilocalories from this crackle bar. So let's open our Cadbury Crackle, and expiry must be approx 12 months only from the date of manufacturing. So all these Cadbury Dairy Milk video ad links I will be giving in the description box below. You can go there and enjoy those commercials. Eating a crackle is like a chain of delicious explosions in your mouth. Oh wow! Again, unique chocolate it is of Cadbury. So you can see here all over this Cadbury bar, some crunchy balls are there. So you can see the difference between these two, that this left side is roast almond and right side is a crackle. So yes, these crackles are nothing but rice Crispies which are mixed with our Cadbury. So let's taste it. You can see this all over this bar. We are having Rice Krispies. No conjuicy in that. You can hear also, it is so crispy. Yes, I'm getting delicious explosions in my mouth. You also go and try. So next on the line is Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut. If you want to see the epic story of how the new fruit and nut got more nuts, that you can see in the description box below. As I said previously, this Cadbury is of 80 grams in weight and price as 90 rupees, but now it is of 100 rupees. Best before from 12 months from the date of manufacturing. As you see in the ingredients, raisins and almonds are of 10% and 9% respectively in this chocolate, and per 100 grams we will get energy as 521 kilocalories. Let's open our Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut. If you see the commercials also, all Cadbury Dairy Milk, those animated commercials are very beautiful. Oh, lovely. So you again one unique Cadbury chocolate bar. As you see here, small Cadbury chunks or blocks are there. Backside you can see a combination of nuts and raisins. So here nuts means almonds. These are raisins and these are almonds in between this Cadbury chocolate. Again some unique Cadbury chocolate. Let's taste. Yum. While eating our Cadbury we are getting a crunch of nuts also, and in between you get resins in your mouth. Tasty. Next on the line are two big Cadbury chocolates, that is Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate, which is a family pack, and Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk, which is heart blush. Starting with a normal pack, that is a plain Cadbury chocolate. Its MRP is 100 rupees. Now it is of 120 rupees. Net weight is 130 grams. And ingredients you can see only milk solids, cocoa butter, cocoa solids, and milk and sugar. As this is a plain Cadbury, Cadbury has introduced this particular chocolate or this particular bar as a family pack, like we have family pack ice creams and so on. Again, a unique Cadbury chocolate bar. So this is a very plain Cadbury chocolate, like how we eat of 20 rupees or 40 rupees, but little bigger. That's why it is advertised as family pack. So whole family can sit and share this Cadbury chocolate, and you can use for making any of your desserts also. Last but not the least, Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Heart Pop. I missed you, Cadbury Silk. It is a veg product, and per 100 grams we will be getting energy as 534 kilocalories. This costs me 160 rupees and net weight as 150 grams. No other new ingredient, because this particular heart pop is also a plain dairy milk chocolate, but it is a silk version. Little bit creamy compared to our normal Cadbury Dairy Milk. So let's open our silk heart and pop. Packaging is again a premium quality packaging. It comes under premium chocolates. As you see here, you can gift this Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk to your loved ones on different occasions like anniversaries, birthdays, Valentine days, and so on. And as you see here, a heart in between, that is, you need to pop this heart out of this Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk. Oh, my heart is not pink because this is older video, as I said. Next time I will be coming with the heart pop Cadbury with pink heart. Stay tuned. Let's try to pop this heart out. You can see here the melting point for this Cadbury is also very high. It starts melting in my hand. Oh, let's try this Dairy Milk Silk. So yummy it is. It starts melting in your mouth. If you take any of your Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk virgins. It starts melting in your hand also and in your mouth also. It gives you heavenly experience whenever you try this silk chocolates. And this is my heart, Cadbury Heart. If you are new to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button and like, share with your family and friends. So I will be rating this Cadbury Dairy Milk as 5 out of 5. I will be rating this Cadbury Dark Milk as 5 out of 5. I will be rating this Cadbury dipped as 2 or 3 out of 5, as we can also melt Cadbury chocolate and dip Oreo biscuit in that. It will become Cadbury dipped cookie. I'll be rating Cadbury Crackle as 4 out of 5. It doesn't give me wow kind of this feeling while eating this Cadbury. And for Cadbury Roast Almond, I will be giving 5 out of 5 because I like both almonds and Cadbury also. I will be rating this Cadbury Fruit and Nut as 5 out of 5. Cadbury Family Pack is our normal Cadbury chocolate, so it is always our favorite. That is 5 out of 5. What about you? Which Cadbury from all these Cadburys you like? That you can comment me in the comment box below.